Welcome back to ASLdeafined.com. I am Paul, and I would like to talk about how to teach a lesson from ASLdefined.com. I'm going to log in again to Teacher Demo, and once I do that again, you'll know you're in the teacher account because of the orange taskbar right here. And so suppose I have beginner students, and suppose we're now on family. And what I would do is I would go through the vocabulary words with the students, and I would show them how they're signed. I give them tips. For example, the female signs are by the chin. The male signs are by the forehead. And I would go ahead and do that. Explain the signs so they feel comfortable. Like, for example, like for family, the sign for family. Now, there's two signs for family, one family here, and then you see this one, that's the other sign for family, which is a variation. And we have the variations within the lessons. They're not all done. We're working on them, but we have over 300 lessons we're doing. And so once the students get comfortable with the vocabulary words, I have them practice with a partner. Maybe one partner can fingerspell the family word and the other partner gives it back in sign. Stuff like that. You can play bingo with the words. You can do a telephone game with the words. You can do later on when they get more advanced, you can actually do location and handshapes with the words. And you give them a handshake and see how many words they can come up with for that. And so, and that's how I handle this. And then what I do is for homework, the students actually do the activities down below. And if you recall, once the students are done with the activities, they will get either a green, yellow, or red check mark. And that's just an indicator of how well they're doing and what they received on their activities. Also, for you, the teacher, you have the teacher lesson plan, you have the curriculum standards right here, and you have the expressive skills option that the students also have. But the first two you only have. If I click on the expressive skills option, and that will come up, and if I open that up, it gives ideas of what you can do in terms of expressive video, expressive skills. You can see number one, and then you can also see number two. And what I have for the students do is I have them do one or two of these. And once they're done, I have them place it in their folder in their Google Drive. Now, a lot of the schools have emails for students that are connected to the Google Drive. If they're not, Gmail or Google Drive is free for students. It's just a free, easy way for them to keep all their videos. Now, I tell my students, please hold on to these. I want you to hold on to these videos because you never know what's going to happen later in life that you may want to look back and you may want to show, maybe if you become a teacher, what you look like learning how to sign. So that gives you a brief overview of how to teach a lesson. Now, again, you can do it any way you want. This is your classroom. But ASLdefined lends itself to great vocabulary, great activities, and lots more features. So, okay. Hopefully, if you have questions, you can always email me. I'm always available.